Hi everyone, welcome to How to Login. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to use Street View on Google Maps. If you want to view, explore world landmarks, see natural wonders and step inside places such as museums, arenas, restaurants, or even small businesses, you can use the Street View in Google Maps. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Click open a web browser, or you can open up your Google Maps application as well. You can do this on your mobile phone or your tablet and even on your computer. In today's video, I'm going to do this on my Windows, so let me go ahead and click open a web browser quickly. You can do the same. Once you click open a web browser, go to the address bar at the top and type in maps.google.com and press enter. You must be logged into your Google account in order to be able to open up the map, so go ahead and do it if you are not signed into your Google account. From the main Explore page of Google Maps, go ahead and select for a place or an address. You can also search for a place in the search box at the top left. Type in the name of the city or place that you'd like to use the Street View for. Once you do that, simply go ahead and choose one of the points you want to use, and at the bottom right you'll be able to see an icon right here, a little human in yellow. Simply drag the pigment to the place on the map that you'd like to view with the street mode and simply drop him in, and now you'll be able to enter the street mode on Google Maps. That way you'll be able to explore through cities and cities just like you were exploring in real time. As you can see it right here, I can move towards the cities and explore, have fun, and jump between streets and streets. If you'd like to get out of this page, you can simply click on this cross icon in the top right corner and you are back to your map screen. That is how you can easily use the Street View option in Google Maps. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.